Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you today. I am Anna, and I feel very excited. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining, and the birds are singing. It is a perfect day for an adventure. I hope you are having a wonderful day, too. Are you feeling good today? I hope you are feeling very happy.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our friends at home. I am Tom, and I am very happy to be here. I feel very positive today. The weather is warm and the sky is blue. I love days like this. It is a great day to learn English together. We are going to have so much fun today. Learning English is easy when we do it together.
You are right, Tom. It is very easy and very fun. Today we have a very special topic. I love this topic because I love animals. Friends, do you like animals? Today we are going to a very special place. We are going to the zoo. The zoo is a place with many animals from all over the world.
Oh, I love the zoo. The zoo is fantastic. There are big animals and small animals. There are tall animals and short animals. I'm very curious. What animals are we going to see today, Anna? I want to see everything. I want to see the colors and the movements.
We are going to see many things, Tom. But first, we need to say hello to our listeners. If you are new here, please subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We love making these videos for you. Please click the subscribe button now. It is very important for us.
Yes, please subscribe and also give us a like. If you like this video, more people can learn English with us. We want to help everyone speak English. Also, you can write a comment. Tell us what is your favorite animal. I love reading your comments. They make me feel very happy.
Okay, let's start our trip. Imagine we are at the entrance of the zoo. I have the tickets in my hand. The zoo is very big and there are many trees. I can hear the sounds of the animals. It is a bit loud, but very exciting. Tom, look at the map. Where do we go first?
Let me see the map, Anna. The map is very colorful. I see the elephants first. The elephants are very big. They are gray. Look at that elephant over there. It is eating some grass. It uses its long trunk to take the grass. The trunk is like a long nose.
Yes, the trunk is amazing. The elephant is very slow. It moves slowly. It is a very calm animal. Look at the baby elephant. It is walking behind its mother. It is so cute. The baby elephant is playing with some water. It is spraying water with its trunk. It is having a lot of fun.
I see it. The baby elephant is very happy. Now look over there. Near the elephants, we have the giraffes. The giraffes are very tall. They have very long necks. Why do they have long necks, Anna? I think I know the answer, but tell our friends.
They have long necks to eat the leaves from the tall trees. Look at that giraffe now. It is reaching for a green leaf at the top of the tree. It is eating slowly. Giraffes are very elegant. They have brown spots on their yellow bodies. They are beautiful and very quiet.
They are very quiet indeed. They just stand there and eat. I like the giraffes. They look very peaceful. Oh, look at the people. The people are taking photos. Everyone is happy at the zoo today. The children are pointing at the animals. They're saying, "Look, look."
It is a happy place, Tom. Now let's walk to the next area. This area is for the big cats. I can hear a loud sound. Roar! What animal is that, Tom? It sounds very strong and very loud.
That is the lion, Anna. The lion is the king of the zoo. Look at him. He is sitting on a big rock. He has a lot of hair around his head. That is called a mane. The lion is not moving much. I think he is resting. Lions love to sleep in the sun.
He looks very sleepy, but he also looks very powerful. Next to the lion, there is a lioness. She is walking around. She is looking for something. Maybe she is looking for food, or maybe she is watching the people. She moves very quietly. She is a very good hunter.
And look over there in the other cage. It is a tiger. The tiger is beautiful. It has orange fur with black stripes. The tiger is not sleeping. The tiger is walking in circles. It is moving very fast. It is very strong. I love the stripes of the tiger. They are very cool.
I love tigers too. They are my favorite big cats. This tiger is very active. It is looking at us. Don't worry, Tom. We are safe behind the glass. The tiger is just curious. It is a very big cat. It is like a house cat, but much, much bigger.
Yes, much bigger. I don't want to play with that cat. Now, let's go to a cooler place. I'm feeling a bit hot. Let's go to the water area. Look at the pool. There are many small birds. They are black and white. They look like they are wearing suits.
Those are the penguins. I love penguins. They are so funny. Look at them walk. They waddle. They move their bodies from side to side. Waddle, waddle, waddle. They are walking to the water. Now look, they are jumping into the water.
They are very fast in the water. On the land, they are slow, but in the water, they swim like fish. They are diving and jumping. They're catching small fish for lunch. The penguins are very social. They are all together in a big group. They like to be with their friends.
Just like us, Tom, we like to be with our friends too. Look at the big animal in the water next to the penguins. Well, it's in a different pool. It is very big and gray. It is very fat. It is the hippopotamus. Only its eyes and ears are above the water.
The hippo is very large. It is staying in the water to keep cool. The water is cold and the sun is hot. Sometimes the hippo opens its mouth very wide. It is a huge mouth. It has big teeth. The hippo is yawning. Maybe it is tired like the lion.
Or maybe it is just bored. The hippo is very heavy. It likes to stay in the water all day. It is a very interesting animal. Now, let's go to the most active part of the zoo. I can hear a lot of noise. It sounds like screaming and laughing.
We are at the monkey house. Look at the monkeys. They are everywhere. They are climbing the trees. They are swinging from the ropes. One monkey is hanging by its tail. That is very impressive. I can't do that, Anna. Can you hang by your tail?
No, Tom, I don't have a tail, but the monkeys are very good at climbing. They are very fast. Look at that small monkey. It is eating a banana. It is peeling the banana with its hands. Monkeys are very smart. They use their hands just like people.
They are very smart indeed. They are looking at the people and they are making faces. I think the monkeys are watching us. They think we are funny. Look at the big gorilla over there. He is very big and very strong. He is sitting on the ground and eating some vegetables.
The gorilla is very serious. He is like the boss of the group. He is very quiet, but everyone respects him. He has very big arms. Gorillas are very strong animals. They live in families. I see a mother gorilla with a tiny baby on her back. The baby is holding on very tight.
That is so sweet. The baby is very safe with its mother. The zoo is a place for families, animal families and human families. I am having a great time today. I am learning many words. We have elephants, giraffes, lions, tigers, penguins, hippopotamus, and monkeys.
And we have many actions too. The animals are eating, sleeping, climbing, running, swimming, and climbing. These are very important words for our friends. Friends, can you say these words? Eating, sleeping, climbing. Very good. You are doing a great job.
You are doing fantastic. Remember to practice these words. You can look at your dog or your cat at home. What is your pet doing? Is it sleeping? Is it eating? Talk to your pet in English. It is a great way to practice. Your pet won't correct your mistakes.
That is a very good idea, Tom. Pets are the best listeners. Well, we are at the end of our zoo trip. We are walking to the exit now. I feel a little bit tired, but very happy. It was a wonderful day with the animals. I feel very grateful for this experience.
I feel happy too. Thank you, Anna, for this trip. And thank you to all our friends for coming with us. We love having you here. Before we go, remember to subscribe if you didn't do it before, give us a like, and share this video with your family.
Yes, please share the video. And don't forget to comment. What animal do you want to see in the next video? We read all your suggestions. We want to make the videos that you like. Your opinion is very important to us.
Have a wonderful day, friends. Stay happy and keep practicing your English. Small steps every day. That is the secret. 1 word today, 2 words tomorrow. Soon you will speak perfect English. We believe in you.
We really do believe in you. You are doing amazing. Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, friends. See you soon. Enjoy your day.